Hi, air signs. All right, let's go ahead and do your reading. For Monday, we have Temperance, so Sagittarius maybe. Could also be really about you being in a calm state, passionate emotions. Let's see what else we can get. Air signs, please. Okay, we have the Four of Swords. Which, the Four of Swords could mean anything from you're getting sick, like not a serious illness, like you're getting a cold, to you really need time to rest. You've been overdoing it. Okay. And I see you have your back turned here to a water sign. So you could be walking away. It's the Death card. Walking away from the Mother of Cups, which is the Queen of Cups. Yeah. Right. I think a lot of you are on a solo journey right now, so single. A lot of you are single, this reading is for single air signs. Yeah. Lots of swords. So there could have been some manipulation going on, or this could just represent air signs. I'm feeling some regret, but ultimately you believe this is the right decision. It's just hard. It's a hard decision to make. Okay. Got somebody on your mind. And this is somebody new or somebody different than the water sign. Three of Cups, yeah. You could be thinking about just thinking about it, offering or feeling like the time is right to offer an offer of passion. I'll say that. But that leads to building a foundation of a relationship. Not too many, sorry. Okay, all right. So I've done 3. This is my 3rd reading today, and everybody's got this card. And this card is about having an honest, heart-to-heart conversation about your insecurities, basically just opening up entirely to someone. And it could be this person. And you know, air signs, it's not that easy for you guys to talk about your feelings. And I think what's happening is this person needs it to build a foundation. They need you to share. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune. I'll take a clarifier on that, please. With the 7 of Pentacles. So there is definitely, I think, a mutual desire to build something here. But what they're looking for is, see, they could be another water sign, and they could really be an emotional thinker. And so you guys have to find a way to connect. And I think for them, it's really about your feelings. Sharing how you feel. It doesn't necessarily have to be about them. It can be about other people. Yeah, see, if you don't, okay, they're showing me that this is actually really painful for you, and I'm only laughing because once you've done this, you're going to be like, that was way too easy. That was so easy. What was I so anxious about? Okay. Yeah. You need to talk about your past. You need to talk about what you've walked away from and how much you've accomplished. Particularly in 2019. And even if those accomplishments are only in your head, only emotional, only representative of how you've changed emotionally in the past year. Can you tell me what this other person is feeling, please? Feeling about the air sign. Aw, look. They think they could start something with you easy. No problem. I think they know that you want to, but they're not saying anything because, well, really, it's up to you. And again, the roles can be reversed, so take this as it resonates. Yeah. Look, little butterfly, big butterfly. They want to grow with you. They definitely want to grow with you. They want to clean wounds with you. And I know that sounds very strange, but I mean emotional wounds or emotional baggage. Let's get a couple more cards, please, for air signs. Aw, new beginning. Definitely. They're ready to start fresh. Yeah. And again, this is how they're feeling about you. So they're ready. I'm going to pull a couple of these cards. There's a card in here that's called TikTok, and I keep hearing TikTok, so just be aware of how much time you're taking to consider this, how much time you're taking to consider your, deep knowing. So sometimes this means just meditate. And again, some of you don't meditate. So whatever that means to you, go for a walk, self-care, and really consider your own insecurities versus your intuition. Because I think what's going on is your intuition is really pushing you towards this. And you're worried that you're not ready, and you are. And they're willing to accept you as you are right now, provided that you're able to share a little bit. And then we have Breathe, which is just a wonderful card. These cards are Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reed, and you can look up the meaning of all these cards on her website. Yeah. It's funny, this Breathe card it's showing me somebody at a doorway, and they literally take a deep breath before they walk through the doorway. So that could be advice for when you're having conversations that are difficult for you, to talk about your feelings and emotions, and your past. So take a deep breath, literally take a deep breath, and then while you're breathing out, say what you have to say. Okay? All right, air signs, good luck. Would love to hear your comments and stories down below.